Amid strikes, oppositions and bar associations' continued objection to transfer Justice Yashwant Varma to Allahabad High Court, the Chief Justice of India has reportedly agreed to meet the protesting members of the bar. Even as Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna has reportedly agreed to meet the bar, only a day ago, Supreme Court refused an urgent mentioning of a plea seeking a direction to Delhi police to lodge an FIR over the alleged discovery of semi-burnt stash of cash from the official residence of Delhi High Court Judge Yashwant Verma. A bench headed by Chief Justice Sanjiv Khanna was urged by lawyer Mathews J Nedumpara that the plea be listed for urgent hearing before the bench, as it pertained to larger public interest. However, the Chief Justice, who has stopped the practice of oral mentioning of cases for urgent listing, said the plea would come up later. The decision comes even as judicial proceedings at the Allahabad High Court remained disrupted for the second consecutive day on account of the indefinite strike by lawyers against the proposed transfer. For background, after a fire incident at Delhi High Court Justice Varma's residence, it was alleged that some 15 crores worth of cash was stashed on his premises and some of it was burnt down in the accident. This led to a massive uproar and whispers of distrust against the judicial system on social media as well as lawyer associations. Congress leader Pawan Kheda said at the time, quote, Justice Verma was hearing the Unnao rape case among many other serious cases. To maintain the country's faith in the judiciary, it is important to find out whose money it is and why it was given to the judge, Khera said. Meanwhile, the Chief Justice was requested by the Allahabad Bar to not go ahead with the transfer, claiming that Allahabad High Court is not a dumping ground. Quote, he should be in Delhi under the watch of Supreme Court all the time until proceedings are completed, unquote. Anil Tiwari, the president of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, told news agency ANI earlier this week, adding, all judgments by Justice Verma should be reviewed to infuse public confidence again, unquote. And he called for an inquiry by the CBI and Enforcement Directorate against this. All of this opposition came as the Supreme Court promptly announced that the judge was being transferred to the Allahabad High Court for the time being as soon as the cash discovery was announced. And as soon as the announcement was made, it was met with fierce opposition. The matter even reached the parliament where opposition parties demanded a debate on it. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar later even commented that the Supreme Court under the leadership of Chief Justice Sanjiv Khanna was doing a good job at handling the case. Meanwhile, the Allahabad High Court Bar Association or AHCBA said that membership of those lawyers who have appeared in court disregarding the association's strike call have been suspended. AHCBA Secretary Vikrant Pandey said that lawyers who disregarded the association's resolution and warnings by appearing in court have had their membership suspended with immediate effect.